sometimes you might have a dozen or several dozen different types of intravenous large volume fluids that are being used in your hospital, being acquired through materials management. Often the stocking on patient care units is also a process that is undertaken by materials management or sometimes by staff on the actual patient care unit. So often not involving pharmacy. I've seen a mix of different types of storage locations. Sometimes, in most cases, what I've seen is just open shelving with metal barriers between each type of fluid. Sometimes they don't go all the way up, so stuff can spill over into the adjacent storage cabinets and things of that nature. So you have things that are being stored in relatively uncontrolled environments and being put there by people who may not be trained about the safety risks, about how we store things. And sometimes I have seen them stored in automated dispensing cabinets with large mechanical, basically mechanical shelves with doors to access them. But even within those, you might be able to open up one door and have access to 4, 5, 6 or more different types of fluids. So it's not directing you directly to that one product that you might need. So, and then you take that one step further, that these all look alike. And if you mistakenly grab one from the adjacent bin, and sometimes they have very small labels, and there can be confusing labels because they're not really matching what it is exactly that you're looking for. It can definitely lead to somebody potentially grabbing the wrong product and hanging the wrong product. And if the barcodes aren't scanning, like we mentioned earlier, you lose that mechanism downstream as well.